Today, we're sharing 5 powerful words that can instantly add more drama to your storytelling. These words create suspense, excitement, and impact. Let's dive in. Unravel. Meaning, to reveal something gradually or to fall apart. In a sentence, as the mystery unraveled, the truth became even more shocking. Why it's effective: it builds anticipation and makes the audience eager to know what happens next. Vanish. Meaning, to disappear suddenly and mysteriously. In a sentence, she turned around for a second, and he had vanished into thin air. Why it's effective: it adds a sense of urgency and suspense, making the story more thrilling. Shatter. Meaning, to break something completely or to destroy expectations. In a sentence, his dreams were shattered in an instant when the truth was revealed. Why it's effective: it creates a strong emotional impact, making moments feel intense and memorable. Tremble. Meaning, to shake slightly due to fear, excitement, or nervousness. In a sentence, her hands trembled as she reached for the envelope that would change everything. Why it's effective: it conveys raw emotion and makes the audience feel the tension of the moment. Haunting. Meaning, something unforgettable, eerie, or emotionally powerful. In a sentence, the haunting melody echoed through the empty halls, sending chills down her spine. Why it's effective: it adds depth and leaves a lingering impact on the reader or listener. Quick tip: using vivid, emotionally charged words makes your storytelling more engaging and unforgettable. Choose words that heighten the intensity of the moment. Did you find this useful? Subscribe for more tips like this. See you.